Welcome to the HAL APS channel. A sales offer is a specific source of demand in HAL APS. Firstly, it is an informal demand used to reserve production capacity for a customer order that we are waiting for. Secondly, it can serve as a trigger for a purchase demand for critical materials for a future project, in which we intend to use materials with a longer purchase lead time than the production lead time. The informal demand has the characteristic that these transactions may not take place. In a positive case, when the order is received, HAL can convert the sales offer into a sales order without the need for rescheduling. Converting a sales offer to a sales order initiates the sending of production orders and purchase requisitions to ERP. The process is fully automatic. The source of information for the sales offer and sales order is usually the ERP system. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.